Okay, guys. After work today, I entered into my farm like I promised my children that will eat this corn this night. So this is me. I've set up my charcoal stove. The pem kamne fan. The life of a farmer. What am I even saying there? So the most important thing is that I put the corn on fire in a bit to roast the corn. Okay, here. These corn sellers that we have on our streets, do they even wear gloves when they are handling their corn? So I took my time, my fan. So the thing can be doing tight, fast. So some step burning. I said to add more corn so that the corn can go round. It can go round. At least every member of the family can take one this night. So I'm outside though. I'm outside sitting on my corridor. If you want to find them, mosquito in this place is not a joke. Mosquito, even when you flit, the next day mosquito feels off. Mosquito will just appear from nowhere. Hey, Okada bolebo, okay, this corn. Hey, see that little one. My dear, the stress of roasting corn is a problem, but I tell you, this corn, by the time I finished the roasting of this corn, only some this corn, you will tell people that this corn is not all sugar. I've never seen corn that when you eat it, it be tasting like sugar. My dear, my name fail him, my they blow my thing, they go.